Vladimir Putin says Russia is ready for a Cuban missile-style crisis, should the US be foolish enough to want one. In comments made Wednesday, he added that Russia would militarily have the edge when it comes to a first nuclear strike. That following his warning in an annual address, that Moscow will match any US move to deploy new missiles closer to Russia. His retaliatory options include stationing arms closer to the states and deploying faster weapons, such as hypersonic missiles on ships and submarines, which could lurk outside US waters if Washington deployed intermediate-range nuclear missiles in Europe. The Cuban Missile Crisis erupted in 1962 when Moscow sent ballistic missiles to Cuba in response to a US missile deployment in Turkey. It sparked a tense standoff and left the world teetering on the edge of nuclear war. More than 5 decades on, there are fears that history could repeat as an arms control pact from the Cold War unravels. Washington says Putin's warning is propaganda, aimed at diverting attention away from what it claims are Moscow's violations of the INF Treaty. That agreement banned Russia and the US from stationing certain land-based missiles in Europe. But both parties recently quit the pact, opening the door to a potential new arms